It is May 21st, 2024. It's a little after 11 o'clock p.m. This is my Toshiba inverter microwave that has made funny noises from the day that I bought it. Anytime it's on, it makes these weird kind of bumping noises. And I always thought it had something to do with the turntable. I don't know. Bought this back in April of 2023, so I've had it a little over a year. And it's been doused in water because at 10:30 at night, I'm sitting on the couch and I smelled something electrical burning. And here we go. My microwave sitting idle, wasn't even in use. Hadn't been used for, I don't know, since dinner time, which was like 5 or 6 o'clock. Started smoking. Sorry, my motion light keeps turning off. This is a Toshiba microwave. I know, might have to freeze frame and zoom in on that model number. But I bought it in April of last year. It's May 21st, so a little over a year later. And this thing, you know, I normally go to bed 9:30, 10 o'clock at night. I'm not normally up at 10:30, especially on a weeknight, because I'm old. And thank God I was, because if this had been going on while I was in bed, I don't even want to think of what would have happened. Again, May 21st, 2024. This happened at around 10:30 p.m. Thank God I was awake. I will never buy another Toshiba product as long as I live.
I just bought this Toshiba ML-EM45P BS microwave. I have actually returned the first one and gotten a second one and installed that one, and I'm having the same problem. What's going on is I can't set the clock. You'll note that this basically says press the clock timer button once, type in the time, and press the clock timer button again. When I try to do that, I press the clock timer button once, and you see that it says timer, and then I type in a time, so I'll type in 1:23, and then I try to press clock timer again, and nothing happens. I've noticed that now there are other people that are posting the same question, having the same issue, at least 2 other people that have returned these Toshiba microwaves as well, and had and gotten new ones and had the same problem. The manufacturer just seems to send copies of the instructions and suggest to try it again. And when you call Toshiba support, after you spend 10 minutes giving them all your information, they tell you to return the microwave and exchange it for a new one. Not very helpful. Thanks.
So I just got my Toshiba ML-EM45P BS microwave oven. It says here I should be able to set the clock by hitting the clock button, hitting the time, then hitting the clock button again. On the first clock button hit, it should flash the hour, but I don't get the hours flashing. Press the clock button, it's stuck on the timer. If I enter in time, 9:30, the clock button doesn't work. It's stuck on the timer. And after 1 minute, it's going to clear itself. I don't like this panel. It seems to be, you have to press and release. On the release is when it triggers the button.